I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities.
And joining them to guide us is board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Bea Chan. Moisturizing part of your skincare routine?
It is very much part of my skincare routine. Actually, parang wala akong choice eh. Kung hindi ako nag-moisturize, sobrang dry kasi and sensitive ng skin ko. Lalo na pag nasa outdoors ako. So, yun nga, we were sharing a while ago sa media na our mom especially was very strict with us growing up in terms of how we moisturize our skin. Because we always did outdoor sports. So we would run, bike, swim. Hannah did other stuff too, like gymnastics, and ako, table tennis. Basta lahat ng sports, hindi lang outdoor, indoor din, na nagiging sweaty na kami, nagiging under the sun rays na kami. So when we get home, kailangan talaga namin moisturize. Pero ako, hindi kasi ako sanay sa ganun. So when I wouldn't follow my mom, I would see the effects of the skin and how dry it would get. And the discoloration as well. So, I don't know if a lot of you know this, but when I was a child, yung mga photos ko, para my white spots, my white patches, because of me not moisturizing my skin. So, it started with that as a child. Because of my mom, I would always hear Donnie, kailangan mag-moisturize, lotion, lotion. And of course, the brand we would use, and they know this also, was Cetaphil. Cetaphil moisturizing lotion.
Grabe.